Another piece of machinery that might be a little bit intimidating if you've never seen it, because when I first saw it, I asked Roderick, how the heck do I use this? But this is the Megamass flat press. It is a super versatile piece of equipment because it's not extremely adjustable through here. It stays flat, goes into a slight decline by using this pin and moving this seat wherever you want it, but let's leave it flat right now. The cool aspect of how adjustable this is the fact that it has this pin, and as you can see, it is not in the machine right now, so I can do unilateral pressing. If I want to isolate one pec or have an injury, I can work around it by doing that unilateral positioning and that unilateral range of motion. But if I want to make it a bilateral, both sides utilized exercise in order to train more power production, more force production, and more muscle stimulus in general, whether you're someone trying to improve your physique or improve your strength, take this piece of metal and simply drive it through the two handles. So now that simple adjustment has turned this from a unilateral exercise into a bilateral exercise where I'm using both sides simultaneously to press power through these handles and create a more stable and safe position to train my bench press or my upper body through my pecs and my shoulders and my triceps. This is a great exercise to be used as an alternative or as a substitution if the bench press is a little bit still intimidating for you. We have a multitude of machines in here that can accomplish the same goal, so don't be afraid to think outside the box when it comes to exercise selection, because as long as you are stimulating the muscle and making appreciable change happen through your body, you are accomplishing the goal. You do not have to do any specific exercise in here as long as you find yourself using this equipment in the way that it is intended to. That is going to get you closer towards your goal, whether it is something large like completely life-changing and competing on the platform or on the stage, or simply feeling better going into every year thereafter. This is one way you can absolutely make that happen. If you are someone who has no chronic wear and tear, you don't have to worry about shoulder position issues or shoulder health issues. Going further back and really allowing the stretch to occur by adjusting this pin and changing the depth of the handles is a way to really get the most out of this movement. But if you're somebody like myself who has been doing this for way too long and needs to be a little bit more ginger with their application, if I reduce the range of motion by extending the handles out forward, I can still get and create a very, very fantastic chest stimulus using this machine, but I may not be able to expose myself, or I may not force myself to expose myself to rougher positioning at that bottom, because now I can get comfortable here and all I have to worry about is pressing and going through the concentric motion with just enough of the eccentric, the negative portion, to get muscular stimulus, but not put myself in any bad positions I don't want to find myself in. A lot of these are great as standalone exercises, or if one is too intimidating to you to utilize, there are many, many substitutions, and all you have to do is ask anyone at the front desk or any of the coaches on the floor what they think might be a better option for you, and everybody would be glad to help you out.